At the creek, we select a site for stream flow gauging. An ideal site is clear of vegetation, debris, and uneven bottoms. We use a measuring tape, also called a tag line, to measure the width of the stream. The tag line is set up as perpendicular as possible to the flow of the stream. At even intervals across the tag line, we measure stream depth and the velocity of the flowing stream. It is common to take approximately 10 measurements across each stream. However, the number of measured intervals depends on the stream width. At each interval, we adjust the pole called a wading rod to the correct depth of the water. Single lines are present every 2 centimeters, double lines measure every 10 centimeters, and triple lines mark every 50 centimeters. This sensor, which measures stream discharge, is called an acoustic Doppler velocimeter. Adjusting the height on the wading rod also adjusts the height of the ADV sensor. The handle allows for precise height adjustments. Facing upstream against the flow current, we measure velocity for 40 seconds at each interval station using this handheld device. Data we collect in these streams are then downloaded to our computer and then show discharge rate, velocity, and depth as shown here, so we can further analyze the information.